Mmm, delicious. It's delicious. Hi guys, good evening. It's at night, by the way. I've come back from job. I want you to go with me to my evening routine, okay? Welcome to Mommy Lydia's channel, Smile Mommy Lydia. Guys, please kindly subscribe. Hit that subscription button down below and subscribe. So far, I think you can see I'm doing well. You click a thumbs up, okay? Like my videos, okay? Comment, share, so that we can grow to become a very big family, okay? So here I want to cook meat goat at me mutton. Meat goat. And then I have here onions. I always soak them for like 2-3 minutes because I don't want them to be, I don't want to cry, okay? My eyes are already red. Here I have utensils. Guys, we need not to be very perfect about everything. So I'll be washing utensils, I'm cooking here, everything, okay? So keep watching. I'm also going to boil milk. Umama ni gharama ya. I'm going to boil milk. Let me prepare ingredients. Let's cook meat within the very shortest minutes possible, okay? So I'm going to start with I want my oil hot. After it's very hot, okay, I'll add my meat, okay? I let it boil. Always after washing your meat, it has water, okay? So don't add water immediately. You let it boil with its own water. After it's dry, I'm coming to show you what we're gonna do, okay? Hold it up there. After some few minutes, we can have this, okay? This on here. And then I'll add my onion and give it a little while. It will take a little longer. I want it to fry kabisa until the onions are brown, okay? I'll add some salt, okay? We are at this stage, okay? Let's add tomatoes. I had to blend them, okay? Yeah. It's not quite ready yet, okay? So I've given it a very good stir. Let it boil with tomatoes. Then I'll add some little water. Some little water here, okay? We cover it for like 30 minutes, okay? Let's wait. So coming back after 30 minutes, here we are. At this moment, our food is very tender. Our meat is very tender, okay? So I'll garnish with these ones. I don't want soup, okay? At this point, it's very tender and I don't want soup. You can see how thick this soup is. See? And the color, you love it. Just one ingredient so far. So we'll add onion. This what are they called? Spring onion. Okay, with our dania. Okay, with our dania. I'll give it just 2 minutes. 2 minutes and not 2 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5. We're done cooking, okay? For today, we're done, okay? So this is the end result. We're done. Look at it. Very yummy. Yummy, yummy. I know you're wondering, is it soft? Okay, let's find out whether it's soft, okay? Something like very soft, okay? Kindly subscribe. Welcome again and again to my YouTube channel. I love you. Welcome. Bye bye.